Vertical video is everywhere. Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, it's literally taking over social media. But what do you do if most of your footage is shot horizontally? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your landscape videos into perfect vertical content in minutes. If you're like me, you probably have tons of great landscape videos in your archive, like old YouTube clips or horizontal content that would totally crush it on Instagram or TikTok, if only it was vertical. Let me show you how I turn landscape videos into engaging vertical clips using quso.ai, an easy-to-use, AI-powered online video editor. Once you're on quso.ai, click on Create Clips, then drag and drop the landscape video you want to repurpose, or just paste your YouTube link. I've got this old YouTube video I'm going to reuse. Here's where the magic happens. The AI clips the relevant part of the video into 9:16 format. But on the top, you can select the size dropdown of your own choice. Scroll down and select 9:16. That's the vertical format perfect for Instagram stories, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, or basically all vertical platforms. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's nice, but it's zoomed weirdly. With quso.ai, simply click on edit and easily resize or reposition it exactly how you want it to appear on your vertical canvas. Super simple. But what if you wanted to clip a certain segment that AI didn't do for you? Then you can choose custom clip and quickly trim your longer video into shorter clips perfect for social media. Now let's boost engagement. Subtitles are key because a ton of people watch videos without sound. On quso.ai, click subtitles, select Enable Subtitles, and it does all the work for you. But we won't stop there. Let's make this even more eye-catching. I'll add a quick progress bar from the Elements section. This keeps viewers watching longer. And for a solid hook, let's add bold text. Something like, do this to grow on Instagram. Want to match your brand style or add more flair? Quso.ai lets you easily customize backgrounds, colors, fonts, or add logos and icons directly from your brand kit. Once everything looks perfect, hit export and pick your quality settings. And that's how easy it is to turn your horizontal videos into engaging vertical content using quso.ai. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.